Confidence hack number 5, David and Goliath, underdogs, misfits, and the art of battling giants. This is confidence through doing things differently than everybody else does them. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players and CEOs and high performers on how to hack their confidence. For confidence boosts daily to your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com, sign up for free to get these confidence boosts to start your morning on the right foot, and much, much more. Jackpot right between the eyes. Down goes Goliath. Now, I'm not sure if that was the chant from the onlookers on one of the biggest days in history, when the underdog slayed the giant. But I do hope the sports bookers of the time made their wages, because if anyone did their research prior to the face-off, they would have known David was anything but the underdog. We think he was. We see this small David, massive Goliath, incredible odds to overcome. If you do everything the way everyone else does it, you will get what everyone else gets. Remember that. If you do everything the way everyone else does it, you will get what everyone else gets. On paper, the mismatch looked improbable. Young shepherd boy, weak in stature, no physical traits that would scream, bet on this dude. Goliath, a massive man with bulk, brawn, a track record of slaying the head clean off the competition. Literally clean off the competition. But what David knew is what political scientists discovered: when a weaker country fights the same style as a stronger military-powered country, the weaker country wins only 28.5% of the time. So to put that in context, if the weaker country does exactly what the stronger country does in combat, they will most likely lose. However, when the weaker country fights an unconventional style of guerrilla tactics, the percentage of victory skyrockets to 63.6%. Doing things differently than everyone else does leads to success, gains confidence through that knowledge alone. What Goliath didn't know: David killed lions and bears with his hands. God had prepared David for this battle by sending him these ferocious animals for David to conquer. Experience with lions and bears gave David the confidence that he could kill Goliath. David used a slingshot every day of his profession herding sheep to fend off any potential harm. So he was a master with a slingshot. It wasn't his first time he shot a slingshot. He's probably slinged over 10,000 shots before he faced Goliath on that day. He had older brothers that picked on him when he was younger. And if you're not the firstborn in your family, you know exactly what I'm talking about. David had spent his whole life as the underdog. This was nothing new for him. Through his weakness, he called on his ultimate strength. David knew he didn't have the physical prowess to overpower Goliath hand and fist. He used the skill that God had given him, recalled his years of practice, and called on God for the strength in the moment. 1 Samuel 30, verse 6 says, "But David found his strength in the Lord." We all face giants. We all have our own Goliaths in our life. We all are underdogs, but we can gain true, unshakable confidence today from the knowledge that we don't have to do things the same way everyone else does.